eggs good every time, you ask a grandma how to do it. And this is how I do it. Eggs in the pot, cover with cold water. I don't care how many eggs, I don't care how big of a pot. To the water, we're going to add a little bit baking soda. Not a lot, just a little whooshy. Turn on high and wait for it to boil. That's all we're doing, is waiting for it to boil. Now go clean something. As soon as this comes to a boil, as soon as you notice it, we hope you're paying attention, turn this off. Get out your fanciest lid and cover it. Don't move it, don't do nothing, just cover it. Set the timer, 15 minutes. Yep, let it sit. 15 minutes. Clean something else. Okay, timer's going off. That's been 15 minutes. And now, be careful, sometimes that's hot. We're going to rinse these in cold water and peel them immediately. Yeah, like right now. Yeah, it's slimy. It's the baking soda. Don't worry about it, just rinse it off a little more. And crack it so you can't crack it no more. You know those things you see on TV to buy for $20 to steam your eggs and then you shake them? Yeah, this is all it's doing. And I'll tell you the truth, if I was running water, this would be off of here by now. But I came over here because there's not much light at my sink. But look at that! Like 2 pieces! That's all. Soft, squishy. Hold on, let me rinse it. That's a gorgeous egg. Somebody's got their mouth open. Look, I get the first bite. I did all the work. A little bit of salt. I'm hot as hell. I didn't think about that part. Oh my god, that's good. So, that's how you do hard-boiled eggs the right way from a grandma. Go get you some.